These are the new pattern tiles available here in Cebu Home Builders that I want to show you. These are the 40 by 40 tile at 68 pesos. You can see the geometric designs. This one is in blue, gray, white, and yellow. That's 69 pesos. And you got the plain white geometric design at 64.60. Then they also have this. These tiles are from Suzuku. These are like the different granite stone effect at 68 pesos each, and this is 69.75 for this square, and this geometric design is 69.75. Then you got this like garden type patio, for good for patios because they are not actually shiny, black and white and different design. You also got the plain ones, again 40 by 40. If you notice, I'm skipping the one I already featured in the wood tiles. So these are just the plain one in 40 by 40 at 47 pesos each. Plain blue beige. This is the beige one, 47 pesos. The light gray one at 47 pesos. And you got the darkish gray. This one is what is new here. You can see that sign new. This is for gardens. You can see it's like a matted effect. It's not slippery, but it's got a pattern like you would in a garden. There you can see the different rock effect at 45 pesos. Some are 47. This one is 47 pesos. 47 pesos. I suggest these are my outdoor tiles because they are like good for patios and gardens, like 47 pesos. But you need to have the design connect each other to see the whole pattern. This is 47 pesos. Again, this one here with a wave look, and this is the squarish at 47 pesos. There you can see it, and this one's got its wavy pattern at 47 pesos. These are the matte effect tile, and you got the again a new one that they have, the matte effect with patterns at blue, brown, beige, and light brown. And these are the square like blocks of little rocks. And this is another one, new one here, 47 pesos, matte design. These are the brick look, 4 color brick, brown, gray, beige, and dark black. And this is like the other combination, which include black, gray, brown, and a little beige to give you that brick look. It's all for matted, so it's not shiny. These are all 47 pesos. You got this rock with square rock design, again 47 pesos, matte tile. And this one here is 56.50. Although they say clearance sale, but it's still 56.60. This one is 47 pesos. And that one is the other coloring of the gray and black. That's 56.50 because it's got a pattern that you need to create. Make sure that you connect it properly. These are the different shading of that pattern at 59 pesos each. They got the slightly gray and slightly beige. These are like the fish. Look at the beige and the darker like grouting effect. That's 53 pesos each for this style. This one is the slight granite effect by Kia, 60 pesos each. This is now a shiny tile. Again, these are the polished ones. You can see from the light of the camera, that's 50 pesos each, but you can see that it's already shiny. That's 49 pesos with like designs, square designs in the middle in gray and beige. This is another geometric design at 49. This is like a garden design, but they are polished ones. Look, they got pattern in beige and gray. And they got a different one here, still at 49 pesos. Then you got the stone effects If you notice, I skipped the wood tiles. Once again, I want to show you that I already featured that in the wood tiles that I just published. These are 49 pesos honeycomb style, and these are like the garden effect again of 3 to 4 coloring tile, 50 pesos each. The white one is 47. These are the garden tiles again, 56.50, but you can see it's not shiny anymore. They got the hexagonal and the pebble look. This one, look, you got a pattern of a garden. That's 50 pesos for tile. They are not the shiny ones. You can see that's like good for pathways, patios. See, you can get the square designs, 50 pesos each. Then you got the one with patterns, and you got here the like a shiny effect with rock look, and you got the 49 pesos stone effect like marble, 49 pesos each. There you can see like a marble look. Again, they got the shiny one, 47 pesos, the with a hue of pink and the green, and the marble look on top, 49 pesos each. 49 pesos, 49 pesos. These are now the 40 by 40, which are shiny, or as a polish, but it's good for bedrooms. And you get the marble effect. You can get in purple, and you got the light pink one here, like looks like granite. You got the 50 pesos dark black, and the yellow one there, 49 pesos. The dark light gray one and blue at 47 pesos. This one, the blue, is 49. These are the 60 by 60 new design they have here in Cebu Home Builders. This one is like the print, it looks like fur of an animal at 199 per tile. This is the white and brown, and you also got the saffron color with brown fur, and on top of that, that's that 129. That's the marble effect 60 by 60. But this is the other new one, black and white fur effect, 199 each. You can see that it looks like a fur of an animal is the print on the tile. And so that's the new 60 by 60. This is the marble effect at 129, Pilato beige. And you got the 129, 125 white one, 126 slightly gray one, and this is the black and gold color tiles. It's called Pulati Black at 179 each. Because the more the if it's darker colored, it seems to be more expensive. This is 136 super white. Just plain white 60 by 60 tile. You got the 126 each of the slightly beige. But actually, personally, you can see there's a little design hue. What, this is 126, but you can see the little patterns, like really fading patterns, like this one here, like look like stone. But what, 126 highly polished tiles, 60 by 60. There is 126 in beige. Actually, if you're here, you can see that it's almost the same shading, but you can see the difference in the there's a light shaded pattern around. You can see that here, like the stone effect at 126, like a marble. And this is another 126, slightly beige with a marble effect, marble look, and you have more prominent on this one of the like a white splash at 126 again. This is like slightly gray, and just a little bit of the design at 126 again. This is another like grayish, but you can see more of the pattern of the white coloring there at 126 per tile, 60 by 60. Again, another gray, but the patterns are going differently. There, this one, the pattern is like straight lines, slight straight lines at 126. This one is 129, highly polished, no pattern, plain one. And this is the gray one, no pattern at 126. The light gray.